Imagine pouring 700 liters of water into a single cotton t-shirt. That's enough to hydrate one person for nearly 3 years. Our daily choices silently shape the planet's future. Many common habits hide immense environmental footprints. Understanding these hidden impacts is the first step. Sustainable living isn't about sacrifice, it's about smart swaps. Small changes can create monumental collective shifts. You hold the power to choose a greener path. Consider your morning coffee ritual. A disposable cup might seem harmless, a quick convenience, but billions of these cups line landfills each year forever. A reusable travel mug, however, prevents countless waste. It's like choosing a permanent library card over daily single-use books. Wait until you see the difference in food choices. Fast fashion garments offer fleeting trends at low prices. These clothes often contain synthetic fibers, shedding microplastics. Opting for durable, timeless pieces reduces this cycle. Thrift stores and repair shops extend garment lifespans dramatically. And then something unexpected about your daily commute. Driving alone generates significant carbon emissions. Walking or cycling for nearby errands burns calories, not fuel. Public transport or electric vehicles offer cleaner routes. But that's not the strangest part of household energy. Each conscious choice sends a ripple through the ecosystem. Reducing waste means fewer overflowing landfills. Composting food scraps diverts methane-producing waste. Recycling paper and glass saves vast raw materials. Conserving water protects vital freshwater reserves. Lowering emissions combats atmospheric warming effects. Supporting ethical brands encourages responsible production. Your decisions influence demand for greener products. Imagine vibrant forests, not barren deforested lands. Picture crystal-clear rivers, free from chemical runoff. These habits foster healthier communities and ecosystems. They build a resilient future for generations to come. Sustainable living is not a rigid set of rules. It's a continuous journey of thoughtful adjustments. Every swap, every conscious purchase matters deeply. Start with one small change that feels achievable. Perhaps it's carrying a reusable water bottle daily. Maybe it's choosing local produce at the market. Your actions, however minor, hold real power. Consider the legacy you wish to leave behind. Embrace the journey towards a flourishing, vibrant world. Let's collectively build a brighter, greener tomorrow.